Disney style Chipotle. Disney cruise style Chipotle. Thank you, baby. You got it?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello.
Very busy?
Yes, it's busy there. But it's okay. We made it. So we have the cake. Thank you. 2 chocolate cake.
Yummy.
Yeah. And cheesecake here. Okay. And we have the other one. 2 of them, okay? Alright. This tray. Okay, Mickey bar.
Yummy.
And the chicken tender, ketchup barbecue on the side. Yeah. And
Oh, that looks
follow
good.
chicken wing. Yeah. Alright. And the last one, the cheese platter with crepe and crackers on the side.
That's my favorite.
Enjoy. Anything else can I get for you?
No, that's
You
it.
good? Thank you. Enjoy your lunch, okay?
Thank
See
you.
Thank you so much.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Would you please the sign for me, sir, just to make sure recording process.
I think I lost him.
See, everybody, see?
I'm glad I ordered chicken. Didn't you just have chicken tenders upstairs?
Oh, you did very good.
Clyde ate a chicken tenders upstairs. Is it newly cooked?
Very, very crispy. Sorry.
Okay, time for dessert, Claire. I mean, the Mickey bars are gonna melt, so I don't have a choice.
Getting decorated.
Yeah, one at a time.
Food
Good job.
one. It's the same one.
No, I'm missing Nebula.
Food two.
Cookie.
I need to make them slanted so it looks professional. I don't know how forks go. There you go.
Good job. Oh look, it's a baby salt and pepper.
Hmm?
The cookies. Oh, it's that?
Mhm.
Okay, cool. Cookie. There's 3 of them.
Nice.
So good. I'm gonna eat this first now. I'm so happy. Because I didn't eat much of these at home. These are 10 times better.
When you ate the cookie, Thanos was like, "That is destiny fulfilled." Okay, let's try dessert. Oh, that's right. I ordered 2 each.
Okay, try this. Here, try this.
Sorry, buddy, you got a problem. What are we gonna do?
Cheesecake.
Hindi na nagsawa sa chicken tender si Chuy.
Oh my god.
Equilibrium, that's insane. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Physics.
I planned that.
That was me.
What?
It's because I'm a physics student. I knew that it was going to be balanced like that exactly.
Uh-oh. There's Ant-Man. He's gonna land on that pork.
Is there any more chicken tender?
Is there any more chicken tenders, or that was it?
There's only 2 pieces.
2 pieces? What came with fries?
Chicken tenders.
Oh, there's another one. You got so happy.
Ate, gano'n kami natin.
You can have this last
I want the
cookie
edge
too.
though.
Oh. Ayaw magbigay.
There's a buffalo, okay? Buffalo wings.
You can have the last cookie.
Okay.
And you know how much I like that cookie.
So my favorite, all hands on deck. I always order this every time I order room service. You want? No.
This is what I want.
Oh. Yeah, French fries, okay?
How did I place it down like that? The fries are actual fries.
Not like last night.
I don't want to remember last night. That was the most disappointing food I've had.
Give me some.
You could have asked Clyde for steak and white rice, like you always do, right? The ribeye with white rice. Do it again tonight. We're having... What's the beef tonight? There's another beef tonight, like sirloin.
It's kind of spicy.
I'll just...
What is it?
Buffalo.
Boom.
For dessert.
More cheesecake.
Yep.
True.
You get it?
Yeah. I want one too.
There's two more there.
Yeah.
One for you and one for Clay.
Mm-hmm.
And you can ask for this for dinner, but it tastes a lot better when it's room service.
Yep.
Hi, Mom.
Technically, it's not a raccoon. Oh, whatever. Eat garbage. Natasha, those are right. Son of Edith.
See you, fella.
Consider me guy. You.
Millions of people stay there.
Ubus na yung pagkain para kasi hindi nag-lunch. Gutom.
I thought we were just gonna have a snack. That was a whole meal.
No more air.
I'm done. I saved this much. There's a person at your driveway. May isa pang chocolate dun ah. Pero mas gusto ko yung New York cheesecake.
Yan, ano sabi? Ay, okay naman rin ako lang.
How do I edit that out? I won't. I'm not going
No
to.
one will understand. It's fine.
Well, Pookie, you know.